great product over here, I would like to share it with you. It's a storage shelf unit from Himix store, and I received it for evaluation purposes, and this is my personal opinion. This product is very nicely designed, made out of high quality, heavy duty, thick metal iron. It's long lasting and durable. Besides that, it features 5 tiers that can support for up to 440 pounds, which is wonderful, so you can store here a lot of items. It also comes with 4 360-degree swivel wheels, 2 of them are lockable, so it's very convenient to move it around. It also comes with the adjustable feet, so you can use wheels or feet, and 20 metal hooks. Besides that, these shelves are easy foldable. It becomes very compact and won't take much space to store, and it takes just seconds to install, no tools required. Shelf organizer from Himix store is a great choice. Quality is wonderful, very simple to use, and it's very useful and convenient. It's perfect for organization of your pantry, closet, garage, laundry. It's great for living room, kid room, or anywhere else you will find it useful for. I like this product very much. It comes in 2 colors, black and white, and different sizes. You can choose between 5 tiers, 4 tiers, or 3 tiers. I would highly recommend it to you.